morning, good afternoon, or good evening, Falcon. So when we are looking at this, let's start with our date for our notes. So it is either going to be 9/17 or it's going to be 9/18. It's either going to be 9/17 or it's going to be 9/18. What I want you to do is we are today going to be doing adding and subtracting scientific notation. Adding and subtracting scientific notation. Adding and subtracting scientific notation. All right. If you looked at the notes from last time, if you did the notes from last class, you would know about the parts of scientific notation. So you don't need to write this. But I just want to make sure that we remember it. So if you, real quick, we have parts of scientific notation. I'm just going to put an SN because I want to be lazy currently. So I have 1.23 times 10 to the fourth power. This whole thing is our coefficient. This whole thing is our coefficient. And I want that coefficient, that specifically that number in front, to be one through nine, or -1 through -9. All right. And then for the other parts, we have our exponent. And we have our base. So exponent and base. All right. So that is your review of scientific notation in the parts.